Today is a perfect day to break away and do something different. How about taking a special friend or friends to lunch or dinner? Sometimes the paths you take in life are not easy, but having the confidence and trust in someone who has traveled that path before gives you the confidence and gets you through safely. The past has many memories we learn from. The future offers hope and dreams. However, living in the moment is very exciting. There are those who always follow the crowd. A few stand out because they choose to be different. Nature's soft and gentle breezes clear the air. Taking a deep breath in will clear the mind and lift your spirits. Not all of us take the same approach, but hopefully we all reach our destination safely. An idea sometimes starts as a small vision in your mind's eye. Don't let it fade away. You need to follow it through. Because the smallest of ideas can become a larger than life reality. You have to think big and go for it. A change of scenery every once in a while will help you see the true beauty of nature. Find a new scene to experience for each season. Nature is calling you. On those days when everything is going right, don't let anything get in your way. Just enjoy the day. Sometimes it's the simple things in life that brings us the greatest joy. Did you know that best friends always hang together for life? How many best friends do you have? There are those times you need to be calm, relaxed, and still for a while. And then there are those times you really need to cut it loose. Explore and follow the path you're on. Because you never really know all the treasures you might find along the way. They say you need to keep your eyes peeled at all times, because you never really know who's looking at you.